Is your money safe? Is your online banking experience smooth sailing, or are you currently facing a choppy sea of frustration? If you're an EQ Bank user and you're seeing an error message, or if your app is acting up, you're probably wondering, is EQ Bank down? Trust me, you're not alone. In today's digital age, our financial lives are increasingly intertwined with our smartphones. And when the app that holds your hard-earned cash goes kaput, it can be a real panic inducer. So let's dive in and figure out what's going on. First things first, let's define what we mean by EQ Bank is down. It could mean a few things. The EQ Bank app isn't working, you can't log in, or it's crashing after you do. The EQ Bank website is down, you can't access your account through your computer. All EQ Bank services are down, you can't access your money, make transfers, or do anything online. It's important to distinguish between these issues because the solutions might be different. Checking if EQ Bank is down. So, how do you know if it's just you or if there's a broader problem? Here are a few quick checks. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause app issues. Try loading other websites or apps to see if it's a general internet problem. Check your device. Restart your phone or computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix glitches. Check EQ Bank's social media. They often post updates about service disruptions on their Twitter or Facebook pages. Look for online reports. Check forums or social media for other users reporting issues. If you've done all this and you're still having trouble, there's a good chance EQ Bank is experiencing technical difficulties. What to do if EQ Bank is down? Don't panic. Here are some steps you can take. Stay calm, easier said than done, but panicking won't solve anything. Check for updates. Keep an eye on EQ Bank's social media for updates on the situation. Try again later. Sometimes, temporary glitches can be resolved by waiting a bit. Secure your account. If you're concerned about security, consider changing your password or enabling two-factor authentication. Contact EQ Bank support. If the issue persists, reach out to their customer support for assistance. Common causes of EQ Bank outages. While we can't say for sure what's causing the issue without more information, here are some common culprits for bank app outages. Technical difficulties. This could be anything from a software bug to a hardware failure. Cyber attacks. Although banks have robust security measures, they're not immune to cyber threats. Overload. High traffic can sometimes overwhelm a bank's systems. Scheduled maintenance. Banks often perform maintenance on their systems, which can cause temporary disruptions. Protecting yourself during an outage. Here are some tips to protect yourself during an EQ Bank outage. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Be wary of emails or messages claiming to be from EQ Bank, especially if they ask for personal information. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Enable fraud alerts. Set up alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. When will EQ Bank be back up? Unfortunately, there's no easy answer to this question. It depends on the nature of the problem. Smaller issues might be resolved quickly, while larger problems could take longer. Dealing with a bank app outage can be stressful, but it's important to stay calm and take the necessary steps to protect your information. By following the tips in this video, you can navigate through the issue with minimal hassle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.